checking in. I'm doing something different in that I want to start a new series where I build in public. So that's what this is. I'm going to start from the top and show you the product, and then we'll drill down into a small bit on the technology side just to give you a complete picture of what's happening here. So this is the menu plan builder. It's derived using GPT-3. I don't know, 70% of the code was written with GPT-3. I had to go in and do a lot of auditing and like cleanup work. So I will not fluff this and say that this is all driven by GPT-3 because it did not do some things great. So it gave me some things, and then I did a lot of work to make it work well, or in this case, functional. Interestingly, I'll drill into this a bit more, but the text that you see here came from GPT-3. So there's some details in here that came here as well. So what happens is this menu on the left side here, this menu will allow you to define your parameters for a weekly menu. In this case, I'm capping this menu to 2 days for size purposes. These queries do cost, so I have to make sure that I can be efficient. For now, as this grows, I'll open this time scale and play around with letting you choose more options. But for now, 2 days worth of meals. So in this example, we're going to go for 3 meals a day, have 2 snacks a day, and a household size of 2, so feeding 2 people. And interestingly, we have some specializations here. These all came from GPT-3. So you can choose paleo, vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, carnivore, halal, and use that. I have food allergies. My home personally, we have some food allergies here, so that's very important for us. I'm going to avoid peanuts, so I'm going to go paleo, peanut allergy avoidance, and also the avoidance foods here, common avoidance foods, also chosen from ChatGPT. So grain of salt, I guess, but it's pretty accurate so far. We're going to avoid shellfish. All these things are defined. I built a query underneath here and then send that off to GPT-3 to then calculate. So it's going to go and define a menu for us based on these parameters, and they will fill in this menu section here when it came back. So here we go. Day 1, I've got a scrambled egg breakfast. This actually looks pretty good. I get scrambled eggs, spinach, and mushrooms, whole wheat toast, almond butter. I like all of that so far. And blueberries. We have snack. Lunch is provided here. Salad, mixed greens. And then for dinner, here we have grilled chicken breast, quinoa, steamed broccoli. So we have 2 snacks provided for us. So that was what we asked for. And we have our 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner defined. And then day 2 is different. Day 2 has 2 slices of whole wheat toast, almond butter again. That's cool. Greek yogurt and granola. One thing I did ask it to do is be efficient in its ingredient selection. So once it chose some ingredients, it will reuse them to help reduce your need to go buy extra groceries. So that's great. And then the other thing that I wanted to pair with this is once I have my menu and I'm happy with the menu, build a grocery list. So this menu is then being sent back, combined down into a usable grocery list that we can then take with us. There are some things that that you'll see that are interesting so far. This came with extra stuff, snack and dinner. These queries are capped for now, so I'm still working on like cleaning up the UI to make this make sense across the board. But here's our grocery list for the menu that we have. Great. So it's here, check boxes, and we could take this, copy, paste it, and drop it into our list to go shopping. That's it. That's the menu plan builder thus far. I have a lot of plans, a big roadmap for this builder so far, like the ability to store this list for yourself, share it, and send it to some places to help make your life a bit easier. I hope this is interesting to you because I find it fascinating. And the amount of work that GPT-3 has done here is very interesting. Accuracy of the menu, GPT-3 is derived from a set of data, some of it's Common Core from the internet. So I am not here to say that this is dietitian approved, but it seems interesting and it looks pretty good to me thus far. So I personally will be using this and just kind of like documenting how it goes. Okay, so that was that. This is live on the web. Feel free to use it. Please use it. Comment below, send me a message, wherever you can, to let me know what you think about it. If you have any suggestions for updates, I will be publishing changes as they come out, as well as next steps, roadmaps, just kind of like, again, building in public and just showing how this is going and where I want this to go. The last thing about building in public is the code itself. Show the code. Here it is. This all lives in GitHub. It's called Menu Buddy, and it's got basics in here. It's just TypeScript, React, so a lot of common nuts and bolts here. And you can see some of the tasks that I have here set up. So I'll be storing your data eventually, so you can recall your menus to make your life a bit easier. That's the roadmap so far. And now this is all hosted on top of DigitalOcean using the DigitalOcean apps. So as changes go to the main branch, they will immediately update to the app on the web. So expect live changes here. And, I'm moving lean, moving nimble, and having fun along the way. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Again, please use it. Poke it, break it. Let me know what you find. Yeah, have a good day.